Markets are consolidating and bouncing off the lows. Board 2, Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday, February 18th, and we're seeing a market that's just bouncing a little bit off of the bottom end of consolidation, off of support. Not a real surprise. The lack of activity is still a major concern. We still believe the highs are in, and would look to be a seller at about 69.30 in the S&P. We did sell 69.03 overnight, which is one of our targets, which is now sold off. So we're looking now. There is a lot of news coming starting today with today starting with housing starts and building permits, and then durable goods. Tomorrow, Philadelphia Fed, and Friday, GDP and PCE. So we could see some action, but again, we are still slow. The markets are quiet. It's hard to get overly excited. So as long as we sit in this range of consolidation, look for levels to sell to take us down to the bottom end. I do think the break will come to the downside. But overall, again, right now we are higher with everything except the Russell. The dollar is higher, and of course we did buy at 96. The euro currency is lower. We are short. Notes and bonds are both lower. We haven't been able to get our sell targets off yet. Bitcoin a little bit lower. Looks like it wants to make a run down to 60,000 though. We have no position. Metals are higher across the board. Still in consolidation. There's not a lot there. So again, it's wild, but it's wild within a wide range. And again, there's not much really to figure there. Copper is at 570, so it's come well off our $6. The grain markets are up across the board after being down yesterday, so we are still long. Cattle continues to try to push higher along with hogs, but again, they're really just, again, another market that is really just more of in a range. And natural gas is now below $3, and of course we're long from the 310 level. I think this is probably overdone to the downside, and we'll probably look for another spot to add in. Crude oil is higher once again, and we're still looking to be a seller at 66. At the end of the day, again, I think you'd be careful here. The volume is light, the action is light. Most markets are in consolidation. We still have got earnings and news, so just be careful. Look for opportunity. Remember, we're looking to sell at 69.30 in the S&P. And of course, remember our sponsors, TRADIER Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, The Joy of Mom, our high school program, and have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday.